Good afternoon, Leo and Camila. Anong kabaliwan na ito at dinamay niyo pa kaming lahat. No, when we were talking to each other, no, yung interview ninyo, that was my first greeting to you. Dadagdag ang mga baliw sa mundo. Because what you're really going to do is something extraordinary. This is beyond human. That's why we are here. Because you love each other so much that you want that this love will remain a lifetime.
To the love of my life, Leo, on our wedding day, May 2, 2026.
Hawak mo ang beat.
You are so pretty, anak. Thank you. I'm so happy for you.
Salamat, Shami! I am blessed to have you in my life. I see how you love and care for your friends and family, especially your parents. The way you give your heart so selflessly makes me certain that the small family we are building together will always be filled with love. I want to witness our life together, from the way your eyes turned teary during our first dance practice, to your first bike, to your first project car, and our first F1 at Suzuka. In every moment, I will be there, loving you.
Kay tagal ko nang sinuyod ang buong mundo para hanapin,
To my beautiful wife,
ka.
Camila.
Nilibot ang
Hey, babe.
distrito ng iyong
Sabi ng ChatGPT,
lumbay,
pag magsusulat ng vow, simulan muna sa I love you. But I want to make it more
pupulutin
Leo.
ka.
So before anything else, I want to start by
Sinusundo
remembering
kita.
yung unang beses na nasabi ko sa sarili ko na mahal kita. At
Sinusundo
yung panahon na naramdaman kong you're the one.
Asahan mo mula ngayon pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo.
We didn't have much, but we had each other. And in those moments, I realized that being with you was more than enough. It was everything.
Sa akin mo isabit ang pangarap mo, di ko kulangin ang ibibigay. Isuko ang kaba, tuluyan ng bumitaw.
Sobrang sikip.
Ika'y manali,
When we first met each other, I was amazed by how kind you are. Not the kind type na nakikisama lang, but genuinely kind. It amuses me how you see things, treat people, how you love your friends and family.
Asahan mong mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mong mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Handa na sa liwanag mo, sinuyod ang buong mundo, maghihintay
Today,
sa'yo.
I vow to be patient. Patient with our love and relationship in the quiet days and difficult ones. Patient with your dreams and aspirations in life.
Asahan mong mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo.
So, cheers.
Asahan
From the cold floors as chairs, the chairs that acted as our dining table, the cold water we bring home from the office pantry, and enjoyed because we don't have one, and we don't have fridge.
Mahal, pangako ko sa'yo, ang iyong ngiti mananatili.
I promise to protect you, to care for you, and also, syempre, to love you. I will be your peace, welcoming you with a smile and a waving hand when things feels heavy.
Pasensyahan mo na kung araw may di maialay, pati ang buwan di masungkit, bituin ay mapaparam. Ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay
That is why a man leaves his father and mother and clings to his wife, and the two of them become one body.
Huwag ka sanang mag-alala.
This is the love that I cherish, the love that works together, a proud and genuine one. I love you, Camila, my wife, and forever.
Mahal, hanggang sa dulo ng buhay, ako pa rin ang iyong kagabay. Kahit humina man ang iyong pandinig, gabi-gabi pa rin kitang kakantahan. Pasensyahan mo na kung araw may di maialay, pati ang buwan di masungkit, bituin ay mapaparang. Ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay, araw-araw, lagi-lagi kitang pagsisilbihan. Huwag ka na sanang magalinlangan, magtiwala ka, pati buhay ko.
And in this life and every life after, I will always choose you, Leo. The love of my life, my universe. From your wife on our wedding day.
Love you.
Love you so much, baby.